So let's have a look at automation in practice. So this is one example workflow. This is from one of our previous clients. And this is about working on new reservations from Airbnb emails. So this is where we're starting off from. This is an example email, which has gone ahead and cleared the personal information from here. So it's a new booking confirmed for Dr. Demo, and they're arriving on the 25th and they're checking on the 1st. So this is some of the information that we'll be stripping from this email. That's the listing name, the check-in date, checkout date, and say the booking reference as well. So what we're going to do is this email is just a normal notification email. It might well have been ignored, but we're going to automate this. So we can go from this email all the way to our spreadsheet over here. So as you can see, we've populated a spreadsheet with this information. So the idea is through our automation, every time we get a new email, we put it onto here. And this is what the workflow looks like. So we receive the email, which triggers the next few steps. So first we check if there's a new reservation, we filter through. Then we get the content of the email and we format it. We clean it a bit because there's a lot of unnecessary tags on there. And then we use AI. So in this particular example, we use ChatGPT to extract the variables from there. So these are the same variables I mentioned over here. That is the booking reference, listing name, check-in date, checkout date, and so forth. And then we do some of our own formatting just to cleanse the data to make sure it's in the right visual format. Once we're done with that, we then add it to the Google Sheet. So as you can see, that's how we populate this particular Google Sheet. And this acts as a database almost, because now we have all of those emails put into all the new reservations put into one sheet, one UI. So from here, we have a few scripts within that Google Sheet. So we have a different sheet for cancellations. So this filters by those reservations that have been cancelled. We have another one for all active reservations. So this is for the reservations that are new and are still active. And this is sorted by the checkout date. So you can see this is all in order. So you can have a view of the next few checkouts. And then we did some further scripting for weekly layout. So this allows the property manager to have a look. This particular example is for allocating cleaners. So you can see on Tuesday, I have a listing here, and the staff column here is indicative of how many hours I need to clean that particular room. And the status is when the next check-in is. So this, again, this helps with assigning priority. So for example here, the next check-in will be on 21st, so we need to get the cleaning done by the 21st. And what we do here also is we total the hours, so we know the weekly hours as well, which would be 9 hours at the end of the week allocated to cleaning. So this is just one example of how we went from a standard email, notification email, to having this entire UI where you have a few different spreadsheets completely automated. And in this particular example, use Zapier to assist with this.